Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is acetic acid. So these are the outlines of our topic. First of all, we will discuss about acetic acid, commercial method of acetic acid fermentation, and the uses of acetic acid. What is acetic acid? Acetic acid is an organic compound with the formula of CH3COOH. So this is the formula of acetic acid. It is a carboxylic acid consisting of a methyl group that is attached to a carboxyl functional group. So it is mainly carboxylic acid in which a methyl group is attached to carboxyl functional group. The systematic IUPAC name of acetic acid is ethanoic acid. So this is the IUPAC name of acetic acid, and its chemical formula can also be written as C2H4O2. Vinegar is a solution of acetic acid in water and contain between 5% to 20% ethanoic acid by volume. The pungent smell and the sour taste is characteristic of the acetic acid present in it. An undiluted solution of acetic acid is commonly referred to as glacial acetic acid. It forms crystals which appear like ice at temperature below 16.6 degrees C. It has a wide range of application as a Fowler photic solvent in the field of analytic chemistry. Glacial acetic acid is widely used in order to estimate substances that are weakly alkaline. This is the general structure of acetic acid. Ethanoic acid is the second simplest carboxylic acid, the simplest being formic acid H3OOH, and essentially a methyl group with a carboxyl functional group attached to it. This is the carboxyl functional group, and a methyl group is attached. This is methyl group which is attached to a carboxyl functional group. So this is the structure of acetic acid. Now the commercial method of acetic acid fermentation. The production of acetic acid through fermentation. There are two methods of commercial fermentation: surface fermentation process and submerged fermentation process. This is the process in which the production of acetic acid occur. Surface fermentation. In the commercial production of acetic acid, generators are used. So the generator useful in this process is the trickling generator. So trickling generator is used in surface fermentation. This generator is a lining of birchwood shavings on its innermost surface. To begin with the ethanol process through the generator from the top, this ethanol trickles through the birchwood shavings. Also, these shavings contain essential bacteria. This solution reaches the bottom basins, cool down, and is pumped again. The process repeat until about 80 to 90% of ethanol conversion occurs. However, a few things should be kept in mind. The material in the beginning should have ethanol and acetic acid. Its requirement is for the proper growth and multiplication of acetobacter. This is the diagram of trickling generator. Now submerged fermentation. This method of fermentation is more beneficial Moreover, the production of ethanol is high. Also, one need to invest much less in this method. In addition, the manual need is significantly low as it is almost completely automatic. In this method, we get 13% acetic acid, which is more than the other method. The useful fermenter in this method is steel. Moreover, the steering mechanism is at the bottom of the fermenter. Aeration is through the suction rotor. Furthermore, the air enters the fermenter from the top through a pipe. A heat exchanger is also present to control the temperature. The starting material should have ethanol and acetic acid. Further, the concentration of ethanol should be 5%. The process of fermentation is then in this method takes about 35 hours. Moreover, the temperature should be 40 degrees Celsius. Around 98% acetic acid is formed from this method. So this is the diagram of submerged fermentation. Now the uses of acetic acid. Ethanoic acid is a very important organic compound in the day-to-day lives of humans. Some important uses of acetic acid are listed below. Acetic acid is used as antiseptic due to its antibacterial qualities. So it is used as antiseptic. The manufacture of rayon powder involves the use of ethanoic acid. Medically, acetic acid has been employed to treat cancer by its direct injection into the tumor. Being the major constituent of vinegar, it finds use in the pickling of many vegetables. The manufacture of rubber involves the use of ethanoic acid. It is also used in the manufacture of various perfumes. It is widely used in the production of VAM, vinyl acetate monomer. When two molecules of acetic acid undergoes a condensation reaction together, the product form is acetic anhydride. So this is all about the acetic acid, commercial method of production, and the uses of acetic acid. Thank you.